Today, increased activity in urban construction and high-rise development has created an urgent need for greater safety and more reliability in anchoring methods. Of the newly developed methods, let us take a look at the Anzex undercutter and the Anzex bolt, both designed and manufactured by Miyanaga Company, a leader in professional drilling systems. Anchoring methods may be broadly divided into two: the cast-in-place anchor, which is preset before concreting, and the various fastening systems used after concreting. Of the latter are the dry pack method, the chemical anchor, the mortar-injected anchor, and the mechanical anchor. Cast-in-place anchoring requires head bolts, L bolts, J bolts, etc. to be embedded at predetermined positions during concreting. The disadvantage of this method shows up when there is misalignment in bolt positions or when a change in layout is called for. In the dry pack method, a 10 to 15 centimeter cylindrical piece of concrete is removed. A head bolt is inserted and bound by mortar. However, the bond between mortar and concrete is not strong, and there is danger of the anchor bolt being pulled out. A further disadvantage is that the positions of the anchor bolts must be determined in advance. In the chemical anchor operation, a resin capsule is inserted into a pre-drilled hole. An anchor bolt is then driven in and secured. However, the chemical anchor depends upon the tolerance of the pre-drilled hole and the cleanliness of the sides of the hole for successful bonding. Its reliability declines as the chemical ages. The mortar-injected anchor operation, too, has the same weak points as the dry pack method and the chemical anchor. Coming to the mechanical anchor, here we have an operation where the metal sleeve of the anchor is expanded against the sides of the pre-drilled primary hole, and the frictional force so created enables the anchor to maintain its pull-out strength. It is thus possible to work to a specified pull-out strength immediately after anchoring, an advantage over the other fastening methods previously mentioned. However, the contact area between the metal sleeve of the anchor and the primary hole is small. The holding power of the anchor will vary with the tolerance of the primary hole and will also be adversely affected by dynamic vibratory or impact loads. Minute cracks in the concrete will further contribute to lower the frictional force between sleeve and hole, resulting in slippage or pull-out. In order to make up for some of these disadvantages of the mechanical anchor, Miyanaga has developed the Anzex undercutter and the Anzex bolt. Using the Anzex undercutter, a conical-shaped hole larger in diameter than the primary hole is made in the concrete. In this conical cavity, the sleeve of the Anzex bolt is mechanically expanded. The pull-out strength of the anchor is not solely dependent upon the accuracy of the diameters of the primary hole and of the anchor sleeve. Even if the frictional force between anchor and hole is reduced by cracks in the concrete, because the conical bolt is mechanically fixed, the possibility of slippage or of pull-out is greatly reduced. Let us now take a look at an actual operation. A primary hole is drilled using a single plus bit. In the past, it has been difficult to drill a round or near-round hole with a standard bit. However, using Miyanaga's single plus bit with its side carbide tips, rifling is greatly reduced and the shape of the drilled hole is near to round. The drilling of the primary hole completed, it is thoroughly cleaned with a blower. Next, using the Anzex undercutter, a cone-shaped undercut is made in the bottom of the primary hole. The position of the undercut is controllable from the face of the concrete, and the drilling can be undertaken with any type of rotary hammer drill. After the undercut is completed, the hole is cleaned again. The Anzex bolt is then installed into the hole with the insert rod, then hammered in. Finally, the tension sleeve is screwed into the conical bolt. A bush is placed, and the bolt tightened manually with a torque wrench. The whole operation is easily completed in this manner. Furthermore, when the Anzex undercutter's carbide cutters are worn out, only the cutter blade need be replaced, a very economical feature. The Anzex bolt has been subjected to rigorous testing under various load conditions. The Anzex bolt is available from M6 to M24, covering a wide range of applications. Miyanaga will continue to work to improve drilling technology, producing high-quality products to meet the rapidly changing challenges of the construction industry.